All right.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Yes. So everyone, I'm Alicia and I'm a clinical nutritionist and a dietitian at SugarFit. So today's discussion where we will be talking about how your diet impacts on your blood sugars. Okay, basically a diabetes management, and this talk discussion will go for next 30 minutes, and remaining will be open up for the question Q&A. Okay, I'm quickly going to share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, Alicia, visible.
All right, perfect. So, diet and blood sugar management, how a diet impacts our in management of the diabetes is what today's all discussion is going to be. तो ये डिस्कशन हम हिंदी में और इंग्लिश में साथ में करेंगे. कोई भी क्वेरी हो, यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, यू कैन पुट इट इन अ चैट बॉक्स. विल टेक अप द क्वेश्चन इन द एंड ऑफ द सेशन. ओके, सो द मेजर ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ दिस सेशन, हम इस जो टॉपिक पे बात करें मैनेजमेंट, कि अंडरस्टैंड हाउ योर डाइट इम्पैक्ट्स ब्लड शुगर्स, कि हम जो भी खा रहे हैं वो हमारे शुगर पे कैसे सीधे सीधे इम्पैक्ट कर सकता है. That one thing. Then another, the key principles, what are the basic principles that we all have to follow in managing our diabetes. Third, how कुछ practical tips भी share करेंगे कि हम how we can smartly choose our way to manage our diabetes. Okay. All right. सो लेट्स फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ डायबिटीज़. ओके, डायबिटीज़ असल होता क्या है. हम सब बोलते हैं कि शुगर आ गया, डायबिटीज़ आ गया, लेकिन बट होता क्या है. ओके, डायबिटीज़ इट इज़ अ क्रोनिक कंडीशन वे कैरेक्टराइज बाय द बॉडीज इनएबिलिटी टू प्रोड्यूस इनफ इंसुलिन. ये क्रोनिक मतलब कि बहुत लंबी एक बीमारी जैसे है कि वे हमारा बॉडी इंसुलिन प्रोड्यूस नहीं, इनफ इंसुलिन प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर पाता. और इन केसेस की कुछ ऐसे होते हैं कि वेयर आर बॉडी वोंट बी एबल टू एफिशिएंटली यूटिलाइज द इंसुलिन. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि अगर इंसुलिन ठीक से बॉडी यूटिलाइज नहीं कर रहा है, दिस विल लीड टू एलिवेटेड इन योर ब्लड शुगर. सो बेसिकली योर शुगर्स विल बी रिमेन इन योर ब्लड एंड इट वोंट बी यूटिलाइज बाय योर बॉडीज. सो दैट इज द simple definition of the diabetes. uh, Diabetes is not just one, there are many types in the diabetes. So let's focus on three primary types. First is टाइप 1 डायबिटीज़, जिसको हम ऑटो इम्यून भी बोलते हैं, वेर यूजुअली जेनेटिक्स की वजह से होता है. सो वेर यू विल हैव टू रिक्वायर इंसुलिन थेरेपी फॉर दैट. Type 2 diabetes, it is the condition where your body becomes resistant to insulin, and where either your body won't be able to produce enough insulin. So ये केस में होता है. Why does it happen? Because of the इन्फ्लुएंस बाय द लाइफ स्टाइल. ओके, जिस भी आपका लाइफ स्टाइल जिस हिसाब से रहा होगा शुरू से कई सालों का इफेक्ट, सो दैट हाउ यू डेवलप द टाइप 2 डायबिटीज. थर्ड, वी हैव जेस्टेशनल डायबिटीज. जेस्टेशनल ऑल्सो कॉल्ड, कि जब प्रेगनेंसी में औरतों को होता है, दैट डायबिटीज इज कॉल्ड जेस्टेशन. यूजुअली इट रिजॉल्व्स पोस्ट प्रेगनेंसी, बट यू हैव द हायर चांसेस टू डेवलप फर्दर इन द ईयर्स, विच इज अगेन टाइप 2 डायबिटीज. और व्हाट आर द कॉमन सिम्टम्स, कि हमें कैसे पता चलेगा व्हाट आर द कॉमन सिम्टम्स दैट वी हैव, दैट वी आर हैविंग अ डायबिटीज. फर्स्ट, यू वोंट बी अर्ली एबल टू डायग्नोस इट बिकॉज उतना विजिबल सिम्टम्स होते नहीं हैं. बट व्हेन द सिम्टम्स इंक्रीजेस यू विल हैव द फ्रीक्वेंट यूरिनेशन. ओके, यूरिनेशन फ्रीक्वेंट होता है और आपको पानी में प्यास बहुत लगती है. यू विल हैव फ्रीक्वेंट थर्स्ट, इंक्रीज्ड हंगर. सो दिस आर द कॉमन सिम्टम्स. और कुछ टायर्डनेस होता है, इवन दो यू आर ईटिंग इनफ ईटिंग, बट स्टिल यू विल फील टायर्ड. Headache and blurred vision, these are the very common symptoms of the diabetes. Alright, then what are the complications related to it? जो भी हम उसके साथ जब जैसे saying कि जब डायबिटीज आता है अकेला नहीं आता, अपने दोस्तों को साथ लेके आता है. What are the friends for the diabetes? Complications connected to it. Okay, what are the complications, क्या हो सकते हैं? So in in the medical field we say the retinopathy, nephropathy, neuropathy. So basically कोई नहीं, nerve damagement का problem होता है. First it will affect your eyes, जिसको हम रेटिनोपैथी कहते हैं. the eyes blurred vision is what you get. Then we have nephropathy where it affects your kidneys as well. Okay, then you have neuropathy where you will have tingling sensation in your feet and your hands. So वो एक है. उसके अलावा further, if you do not manage it well, manage diabetes is something where you can manage it. अगर आप manage नहीं, हम सब manage नहीं कर पा रहे हैं उसको, तो where we will be having our heart issues, kidney issues, eyes issues. So these are the complications comes along with the diabetes. Rule of diet in the diabetes. Okay. अब रूल हमारा जो खान पान है रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में वो कैसे हमारे डायबिटीज़ को अफेक्ट करता है. ओके. सो हाउ डज द फूड इम्पैक्ट. One thing is that whatever you eat, whatever we are eating, it have even if you have diabetes or no diabetic, whatever we are eating, it will have the impact on our sugar levels in the body. Okay. Basically हम कितना खा रहे हैं, क्या खा रहे हैं, it's majorly related to that. Okay. Next comes the balanced diet. Okay, why is it important? Balance, हम सब बोलते हैं balanced खाना चाहिए, but what is the balance, right? So balance is nothing but the quantity and the quality of the food. Okay, the portion control, हम कितना खा रहे हैं, and the quality of the food, क्या खा रहे हैं. Just like even if you're eating less or more, but if you're not eating a right food, then there's no point. So that is another thing. So benefit of balancing your meal is your weight management. So there are the recent studies, we have come up ke if you are able to manage your weight, then automatically 70% of your diabetes will be reversed. I'm talking about the type 2 diabetes. Okay. Type 2 diabetes basically it influences, gets influenced by your lifestyle, right? So हमारी जो lifestyle की वजह से जो influence होता है, if we are able to manage it with our diet. Okay, diet plays a very important role in management of diabetes. So अगर हम weight management कर लेते हैं, diabetes भी almost 60-70% will get resolved there itself. So weight management, balance in seeing balance meal will also help in the weight management. Fourth, we have the risk reduction of the complications. So जो भी खाने से या फिर डायबिटीज से problems होते हैं, the problems and the risks we develop from the not managing our diabetes, that also with the proper nutrition we can tackle it. Okay, then we have the consequences of poor dietary habits. Okay, suppose if we are not paying much attention for our health and we are like it's okay, sugar sada hai, we are not facing much difficulty and we are not taking our medications properly, not following any specific diet, then the consequence worst case scenarios will be developing another complication related to it, heart, kidney issues, heart issues, more more issues related to diabetes. So overall saying diet plays a key role in the management of diabetes and that overall helps you in preventing the further complications. Okay. Key dietary principle for diabetes management कि हम क्या important principles follow कर सकते हैं. So in order to manage our diabetes. Okay. फर्स्ट इज पोर्शन कंट्रोल. पोर्शन कंट्रोल क्या होता है, ठीक है. वन मेजर पोर्शन कंट्रोल इज द quantity of the food, how much we are eating. For example, आज I'm my weight is suppose 57 kgs and my height is this much. Okay, based on your height and your weight हमें इतने ही calories consume करने होता है. We cannot eat more than that. If we are eating, we will be end up having the obesity, then we'll be end up having the diabetes and stuff. So portion control और हमारा calorie requirement कितना है, that in that portion only we have to eat. Okay, so दैट अनदर थिंग. पोर्शन कंट्रोल के मतलब हम किस नॉट ओनली दैट के मसलन कि सिर्फ राइस ही खाए जा रहे हैं या फिर सिर्फ चिकन ही खाए जा रहे हैं, नॉट दैट. पोर्शन कंट्रोल, एवरी मील, एवरी प्लेट इज डिवाइडेड. ओके, ऑल द न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर डिवाइडेड इन योर प्लेट. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने एक हाफ प्लेट राइस लिया, सॉरी हाफ प्लेट वेजिटेबल्स लिए हैं, कोई भी वेजिटेबल नॉन स्टार्ची. अगर मुझे डायबिटीज़ है, मैं नॉन स्टार्ची वेजिटेबल्स हाफ प्लेट लूँगी, ऑलमोस्ट 50% ऑफ माई कंप्लीट डाइट. देन व्हाट आई एम गोना डू, 25% में कोई भी एक प्रोटीन सोर्स उठा लूँगी. चिकन हो गया, मैं नॉन वेजिटेरियन, सो मैं चिकन ले लूँ या एग्स ले लूँ. अगर मैं वेजिटेरियन हूँ तो मैं सोए का कुछ ले लूँगी या फिर पनीर ले लूँ. दाल का कटोरी ले लूँ, सो एनीथिंग. देन कम्स माई पोर्शन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट, वन पोर्शन 25% ऑलमोस्ट. सो क्या होता है कि मैं एक चपाती ले लूँगी या फिर थोड़ा सा राइस मुझे खाना है मैं वो ले लूँगी, बट मैनेजिंग द पोर्शन कंट्रोल इज़ वॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. फोकस ऑन ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स ऑफ द फूड. क्या ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स क्या होता है कि हर फूड को एक नंबर दिया गया है बेस्ड ऑन देयर अबिलिटी कि कितना जल्दी वो डाइजेस्ट हो सकते हैं हमारे, हाउ दे कैन इम्पैक्ट और शुगर्स इन द बॉडी. सो द शुगर्स को कितना जल्दी इम्पैक्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैंने खाना है एक चपाती जोवर की, ओके, ज्वार की बाखरी है, मैं कुछ खा रही हूँ. सेम मैं एक छोटी कटोरी राइस खा रही हूँ, तो वो कितनी जल्दी मेरी शुगर को एब्जॉर्ब करेगा. वेर सो द ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स ऑफ द फूड इज गिवन. यू कैन चेक, you can google it, you'll get the numbers. So if we are eating, make sure we are eating the complex carbohydrates. Okay, complex मतलब कि क्या होता है, जैसे कि मैंने कहा ज्वार हो गया, बाजरा हो गया. So these are the very complex carbs. So even if you are eating, it fulfills your carbohydrate needs in the body, as well as it keeps you full because it comes with enough fiber in the, you know their content. So make sure we are mixing, even if you are eating the portion control, make sure it is the glycemic index उसका जो है low होना चाहिए. Okay, higher
I
the
just want to
glycemic.
add up one thing, Alicia, here.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
whenever we are talking about the key principles for diabetes management, as Alicia said, it's very important to see the portion control. हमने 2 meals खाए, but those 2 meals were equivalent to the 3 meals of the day. So, there the entire glycemic load means हर फूड का अपना एक ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स होता है कि कितनी इंटेंसिटी से वो फूड के ब्लड शुगर रीडिंग्स आपके बढ़ाएगा. और पूरा खाने का ग्लाइसेमिक लोड मींस उस पूरे खाने में कितनी पोटेंशियल है टू इंक्रीज योर ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन द पोर्शन. सो द इफ यू आर ईटिंग मोर bigger portions in one meal, it will increase the overall glycemic load of the food, which will also increase the capacity to increase your blood sugar levels also that drastically. So that's why portion control is very important. And here glycemic index and the glycemic load plays a very important role. I will post the link of the glycemic index and glycemic load session here in the chat because this is a major and the basic concept that one should know to reverse the diabetes. Right? So rest is up to like Alicia. Alicia, you can take it up. But this concept is very important because these are the key principles which one should keep in mind because these are the game changer, either talking about the portion control or about the glycemic index or glycemic load or including how much fiber you have in diet because that fiber actually helps in reducing the glycemic load of the food, which is also again dependent on that. Same with the fats. So please, Alicia, take it over. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Neha. That was a really good point. So exactly. So glycemic index, खाने में वो क्षमता होती है कि हर किस्म का खाना अलग अलग होता है, एक ही जैसा नहीं होता. तो उस क्षमता की वजह से आपका जो शुगर लेवल्स है कितना हाई और कितना मैनेज हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो मसलन कि मैं एक कटोरी राइस खा रही हूँ, मेरा शुगर सा जो स्पाइक है, अगर आपने सीजियम यूज़ किया है आपको पता चलेगा, क्योंकि द स्पाइक विल गो रियली हाई देन इट विल गो डाउन. बट अगर वही रिप्लेसमेंट मैं कर रही हूँ जोवर की रोटी या बाजरा हो गया या फिर बार्ली की रोटी हो गई, तो सेम अगर मैं कुछ किसी एक कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब्स होल ग्रेन से रिप्लेस करती हूँ तो मेरा शुगर लेवल स्टेबलाइज रहेगा. तो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन द GI एंड द GL ऑफ द फूड, ग्लाइसेमिक लोड और द ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स ऑफ द फूड. ओके, फाइबर. फाइबर क्या होता है, मोस्ट ऑफ अस गेट्स कंफ्यूज. फाइबर कम्स, इट्स ऐसा नहीं होता है कि हमें अलग से कुछ खाना होता है. इट कम्स इन ऑल द फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. When it comes to vegetables, as I initially told, half plate of the vegetables, I'm gonna fill. Why? Because of the fiber. तो एक मील सीक्वेंसिंग एक कॉन्सेप्ट है कि सीक्वेंस में हमें क्या सीक्वेंस में खाना खाना है. ठीक है, पहला सीक्वेंस हो गया हमारा फाइबर विच मीन्स वेजिटेबल्स. ओके, तो वेजिटेबल्स व्हाट इट डेफिनेटली इट हेल्प्स इन द वेट मैनेजमेंट बिकॉज इट गिव्स यू द सटाइटी. ठीक है. Then second, it helps majorly, it helps in stabilizing the sugar levels. Okay, once you have to eat the rice, then you're taking your meals, then you won't be seeing the much spike of the sugar compared to just you're eating before any. अगर हम कुछ सीधे सीधे राइस करी खा रहे हैं without eating any vegetables, then we'll definitely see a huge spike. सो इन ऑर्डर टू, इवन इफ यू वांट टू ईट द राइस, ऐसे बोलते हैं कि राइस इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर डायबिटीज एंड स्टफ, खा सकते हैं हम राइस. ओके, वी कैन ईट द राइस बट इन द पोर्शन कंट्रोल. अगेन वी हैव टू पेयर अप विद द फाइबर एंड द प्रोटीन. ठीक है. सो सेकेंड इज हेल्दी फैट्स. ओके, हेल्दी फैट्स, according to studies, every individual should only use half liter of the oil per month. Okay, not more than that. Why? Because we are eating the fats in other sources as well. ठीक है. हम क्या खा रहे हैं? फैट सिर्फ ऑयल में नहीं होता, फैट होता है हर खाने में, एक्सेप्ट फॉर द फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स आर द एक्सेप्शन. बट फैट्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हो गया हमारे नट्स एंड सीड्स, जो भी हम खाते हैं, दे कंटेन द हाइएस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ फैट्स, एंड चिकन एंड फिश, प्रोटीन सोर्स एज वेल कंटेन्स द फैट्स. So that is why we have to incorporate our fiber and प्रोटीन अलॉन्ग विद द गुड हेल्दी फैट्स. ओके. सो अगर मैं किसी डाइट काउंसलिंग में करती हूँ, मैं बोलती हूँ कि टेक योर फ्रूट्स अलॉन्ग विद द नट्स. Why? Because fruits contains sugars as well. So again, it is important. Just because it contains a fructose, we cannot skip it. Okay, because fruits contain other important major nutrients as well. So but अगर वो खाना है आपने फैट्स के साथ खाइए. फैट्स इन द सेंस कि गुड फैट्स हो गए हमारे, वॉलनट्स हो गया, फ्लैक्स सीड्स हो गए, पम्पकिन सीड्स हो गए, जो भी हम आमंड्स हो गए, जो भी हम फैट्स खा रहे हैं इन हेल्दी पोर्शन. बिकॉज दे fat doesn't mean they are the bad fats for you. Healthy fats, which means good fats, they will help you in reduction the cholesterol in the blood levels. So that is why the healthier fats are important. And second, we have the hydration. ये बहुत ही अंडररेटेड टॉपिक है कि हाइड्रेशन प्लेज अ की रोल इन मैनेजमेंट योर डायबिटीज़. ओके, हमारे शुगर लेवल्स जो अगर मसलन कि अगर मेरी बॉडी बहुत लंबी समय से डिहाइड्रेटेड है, ओके, मैं इनफ आई एम नॉट ड्रिंकिंग इनफ वाटर, आई एम नॉट कीपिंग माई सेल्फ हाइड्रेटेड, सो दैट विल मेक द शुगर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इंक्रीज, द शुगर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इन माई ब्लड. ठीक है, जो मेरे खून में जो शुगर है वो कॉन्सेंट्रेट होना शुरू हो जाएगा, एंड दैट इज़ वाई इट्स गोना स्टे, आई विल हैव एंड अप हैविंग द हाइयर शुगर लेवल, मेंटेन्ड ही रहेंगे वो. सो व्हाट डज इट डू? अगर आप इनफ पानी पी रहे हैं तो इट विल हेल्प यू इन डाइलेशन ऑफ द शुगर्स. ओके, so that is how your sugars will be able to, you can manage at least for that day where you have drank the enough water, where you have had enough fiber in your diet, and you have performed a physical activity. That day you'll definitely see a improvement in your sugar levels.
So, Alisha, I just want to quickly brief it. What are
Yeah.
the key principles that can help you in reducing your blood sugar levels? Number one is the portion control. It's not about stopping yourself from eating anything, but eating in portions. So, if your portion size is good, if you're dividing your meals well, it will not give a drastic impact, okay, on your blood sugar levels. Now, one thing you have to understand, what is diabetes? It is a metabolic disorder. Means आपकी बॉडी ज्यादा फूड डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पा रही है, तो जब भी आपका पोर्शन साइज बढ़ेगा तो आपका ब्लड शुगर लेवल्स भी ड्रास्टिकली इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं. तो हमें इसको कम करने के लिए पोर्शन कंट्रोल पे वर्क. सेकेंड थिंग, ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स एंड ग्लाइसेमिक लोड वी शुड नो, वी शुड वर्क ऑन दैट. थर्ड इज we have enough amount of salad and the vegetables in the diet, because number one, as soon as you have the salad first, it helps in releasing the enzymes, which is very much essential for the breakdown of food and its absorption. Next, it helps you in controlling and maintaining your portion size, giving you the good satiety value. Fiber also helps in reducing the cholesterol levels in the blood, plus helps you as a cleansing agent. जितना आपके बॉडी में वेस्ट होता है, एक्स्ट्रा कोलेस्ट्रॉल होता है, उन सबको एब्जॉर्ब करके हमारे बॉडी से बाहर निकालता है. सो फाइबर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जिसको हम बिल्कुल निग्लेक्ट कर देते हैं. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सैलेड हम क्या खाते हैं? 2 खीरे के पीस खा लिए, 2 cucumber slices और 2 tomato. So we have to ensure we have enough amount of fiber in the diet. Now fats, do we need to restrain from fats? No. Fats also, जब हमारे खाने में fats होता है in a particular amount, it helps in reducing the overall glycemic load of the food. Means आपके खाने का जो intensity है to increase the blood sugar levels, that also comes down. Now next is the hydration, very important. With the food, the glucose level goes up in diabetes and that makes the blood very viscous, बहुत thick कर देता है. Now आपके हार्ट को इमेजिन कितना पंप करना पड़ता है, कितना जोर लगाना पड़ता है उस ब्लड को सर्कुलेट करने के लिए पूरे बॉडी में. So hydration helps in keeping the consistency of the blood right so that there is no pressure on the heart. Plus, it also helps in cleansing and detoxifying through the heart, liver, kidney, and many other vital organs. So if you are eating and eating right, taking care of your hydration, most of the metabolism works well, and that helps in even reducing and reversing your diabetes. So these are the key principles that one should keep always in their mind. So अब अभी आपको जब भी कभी ज्यादा खा रहे हैं, serve yourself in the smaller plate. Automatically we will get the mental satisfaction कि हम ज्यादा खा रहे हैं, plus the portion will be less. Having food in the food order, salad first, then proteins and carbs and rest of the food. So if you eat right, if you eat in a balanced way, the overall glycemic load of the food will not increase and your blood sugar levels will not go up. Try this and do share your experiences in the premium group so that we all should learn from each other. We are 30,000 people and here we have 143. So what about those other? We have to take the call and the responsibility to teach them also and make them realize this is important and that this need to be followed religiously. So Alicia, we can go to the next slide and you can take over. I will keep on adding some insights in between because these concepts are the key and the base of the entire reversal process. If it is not clear to you, it will be very difficult to reverse your diabetes. And then we feel that, okay, we joined the program, we are doing everything, but not getting the results. Okay, can we the next slide?
Thank you so much, Neha. That is really well explained in a very short span of time. Very good. And also adding note to that, Neha keeps also sharing the picture of her plate, which is really balanced meal. So please check out your groups. She keeps sharing. That is, yeah. Next is include whole grains in your diet. Whole grains nothing but easily what अवेलेबल है हमारे किचन में. क्विनोआ हो गया, ओट्स हो गए, ब्राउन राइस. Instead of going for the plain white rices, we can choose these over that. Okay, that is how we're gonna have the increased. These are whole grains are usually low in the GI.
So these are what? These are actually, Alicia, carbohydrates actually. So
Yes.
we have two types of carbohydrates. तो कौन से carbohydrates हमारे लिए right हैं, which will increase the blood sugar speedily, which will maintain it. So the whole grains, which is coming from your millets, coming from your oats, quinoa, or we talk about the brown rice, red rice. These are all wholesome grains, which has the husk, which has more fiber. If we talk about the white rice, what is that? It's a polished rice. That's why it gives us white. It has lot of starch, which is like too much of simple carbs being joined together. And the moment you eat, it keeps breaking and releasing the excessive glucose. So choosing the right quality of carbohydrates, which is the whole grains, which has more fiber. The more finer the grains, like wheat has a less carbohydrate content, but the maida, which is refined flour, which will be having the highest glycemic index, the high carbohydrate content, because it is processed and it will give you drastic spikes, means it's readily absorbable by the body. It's like another glucose which you are putting in your body and it's up very, very sure that it is going to give a drastic spike. तो जितना simple carbs खाएंगे, जितना हम simple grains खाएंगे, उतना ज्यादा blood sugar बढ़ेगा, उतने ज्यादा complications बढ़ेंगे. तो यहाँ पे simple diet का rule क्या है? Have the wholesome grains. So as Alicia said, जितने whole grains हैं वो सब हमें खाने चाहिए. We have to try to keep the refined flour, refined grains in moderation. क्या हम white rice नहीं खा सकते? खा सकते. Go with the unpolished white rice instead of going with the polished white rice, which is easily available in the market at very low cost. Longer the grains, lesser will be the carbohydrate content, lesser will be the spice. Shorter the grains, chota jeera rice, the higher will be the glycemic index and the faster will be the spike. So this we have to keep in mind कि कौन सा राइस कितना हमारे स्पाइक देता है. ब्राउन राइस खाइए, you will not get that spike what you are getting from the white rice. So there will be a drastic difference in the quality and the quantity of the grains. So make a mindful choices. Avoid having too many grains in one meal. Take one grain at a time. Anything you want to add up, Alicia?
No, that is well explained, Neha. So exactly, any one grain of the choice, with different grains. ऐसा होता है कि हम चपाती भी खा रहे हैं, राइस भी खा रहे हैं, सैम देर आर लाइक टू डिफरेंट grains हो गए हमारे मील में. So make sure that we have enough fiber, then we have the portion of protein, then we have the portion of grains, any carbohydrate. That's it. All right. Moving on to next. Lifestyle habits for better glycemic control. हमारी lifestyle में what are habits that we can incorporate that so that we can have the better glycemic control. Okay. So first is we have the regular physical activity. It plays a very important role. You'll understand it if you have ever seen it in a CGM graph, because one of my users, like, I want to share an example. I would encourage the my patient to go for a walk every day, 10,000 steps. He was not able to do it, but one fine day he took the steps. He did it, but not 10,000. He did it around 7,000 steps. Next day, his sugar, which are usually about 120, fasting sugars, which are usually about 120, 125. That day, the sugar levels were 96. He was amazed by the results. So that was a live example that I also saw, and he was also very happy about it. So that is why physical activity plays a key role. This physical activity, you can just choose any regular physical activity such as walking हो गया, yoga, strength conditioning, or just simple small weight lifts. Anything that is possible to you, that is more convenient to you, you can just, but moving your body is important. Okay. Then we have the second, stress management. Okay. Implement, or how does it the stress plays a key role. Okay. इन स्ट्रेस हो गया, हमारे काम की वजह से होता है, हमारे टेंशन्स जो भी वॉट एवर वी हैव, दैट हैव द डायरेक्ट इफेक्ट ऑन योर शुगर मैनेजमेंट. ओके. हाउ दिस effect, it gives us even if you're eating a balanced diet and a proper medication, still you will not able to see कि शुगर डाउन क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट मैनेजिंग योर स्ट्रेस लेवल वेल. ओके. हम कैसे स्ट्रेस लेवल को मैनेज कर सकते हैं? स्ट्रेस हो गया हमारी जर्नलिंग के हिसाब से, प्रॉपर स्लीप हो गई हमारी. ठीक है. इवन ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइजेस हो गए, योगा हो गया, जो भी हम छोटे मोटे एक्सरसाइज, या फिर मेडिटेशन हो गया, या फिर डे टू डे हम प्रैक्टिस जो सुबह शाम कर सकते हैं. नॉट इन्वेस्टिंग मच टाइम इन इट, जस्ट मोर देन 10 to 15 minutes, 20 minutes max, just for the mindful practices that will help in managing your stress management by reducing the cortisol levels in the body. Cortisol एक हार्मोन है जो स्ट्रेस की वजह से होता है. So bringing down to that, physical activity also helps in stress management. Then we have the mindful eating. ठीक है. माइंडफुल ईटिंग क्या हो गया कि इवन इफ यू आर ईटिंग अ बैलेंस्ड मील, बट वी आर नॉट पेइंग एनी अटेंशन टू व्हाट वी आर ईटिंग. ओके. ईटिंग इनफ, टेकिंग सम टाइम टू ईट. ओके. आउट ऑफ द बिजी स्केड्यूल कुछ टाइम अपने लीजिए, एंड हैव द माइंडफुल ईटिंग. वो कहते हैं कि सुकून से खाने में ही हमारी सेहत का राज है. तो just eat, chew slowly, have the share a good meal with your families, and even if you're eating alone, just make sure you're eating uh, in a very calm environment, not in a very rush way. Okay. So man, that is why the mindful eating is what we tell. So
Protecting
that
the
not
mind also, Alicia, like, many times it happens that we don't eat mindfully. We just keep on eating with the flow. सब
exactly.
खा रहे हैं तो हमने भी खा लिया. So always think before eating, do I really need it? Am I, listen to your body. Am I really, full or not? Do I really need to eat more? Because it takes time to reach to your mind that yes, I'm full. 5 minute lag is always there. 5 मिनट लगता है आपके बॉडी को, आपके स्टमक को, आपको माइंड को बताने में कि हाँ अब मेरा पेट भर गया एंड आई शुड स्टॉप ईटिंग. सो हमेशा बोलते हैं कि 5 minutes बिफोर यू कुड रियलाइज कि आपका पेट भर गया, शुड पुट द स्पून डाउन. बिकॉज अदरवाइज क्या होता है, ब्लोटिंग होती है, हम बहुत हैवी फील करते हैं, वी फील लाइक अरे बहुत ज्यादा खा लिया. क्यों ये थॉट आया मन में कि बहुत ज्यादा खा लिया? बिकॉज वी हैव डन द ओवर ईटिंग. सो इफ यू स्टॉप ईटिंग सम टाइम बिफोर, अगर 4 खाने का मन करे तो 3 ही खाइए, 3 रोटी खाने का मन करे तो 2 ही खाइए. सो जितना आप पोर्शन में खाएंगे उतना ज्यादा माइंडफुली खाएंगे, उतना बॉडी. आई थिंक वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द फूड कोमा इन लास्ट ऑफ द सेशन कि जब भी माइंडफुल ईटिंग नहीं करते हैं तो क्या होता है, फूड कोमा होता है. कितने लोगों को खाने के बाद नींद आती है, कहते हैं नहीं अभी मतलब खाना खाने के बाद वी फील स्लीपी, वी कैन नॉट. दिस इज फूड कोमा. आपका दिमाग सुन हो जाता है. Your mind stops working, it becomes sluggish, and that's why you feel like shutting down your body and sleeping. तो आप गलत खा रहे हैं, ज्यादा खा रहे हैं, माइंडफुली नहीं खा रहे हैं, बस जस्ट इन द फ्लो खा रहे हैं. इसलिए क्या होता है, आपका माइंड कंफ्यूज हो जाता है, doesn't know how to process. It's called brain fog, it's called the food coma, जिसकी वजह से आपका ब्रेन सुन हो गया and you are not able to process anything further. So please be very mindful of the choices you are making, of the portion you are taking, how much you are eating, and one of the most important, don't watch mobile and TV while eating. One of the biggest culprit for overeating, too much talking on the dining table. Always we eat more when we are eating, while talking. So that leads to, first thing is that खा रहे हैं साथ में बात करते करते एयर भी गल्प कर रहे हैं. सो तो डाइजेशन नहीं होता, ब्लोटिंग हो जाती है. सेकेंडली ज्यादा खा लेते हैं, पानी बहुत ज्यादा पी लेते हैं. तो दीज आर द स्मॉल थिंग्स दैट वन कैन कीप इन माइंड. So Alicia, you can take up the sleep hygiene.
Yes. So, last is sleep hygiene. So, prioritize your quality of the sleep. Okay. पहले तो हम इतनी घंटे सोना है क्यों ना 8 घंटे सोना है. That is well and good. हम if you are able to follow it. But if you are not having the enough rest in that sleep as well. If it is not quality, being disturbance है, we are getting up in between and we are not very good quality sleep. So make sure that we are having the good maintaining the sleep hygiene by sleeping minimum 8 hours a day. Then that too in a very calm environment where we not, if we are having a very disturbed sleep, that will also have the direct effect on our sugar levels. So make sure that we all are sleeping well, 8 hours and the quality sleep. Okay, how we can increase the quality of the sleep? Meditation before sleeping, or just performing any physical activity right before sleeping, that also disturbs the sleep later. So make sure that and eating habits as well, make sure that dinner is at least 3 hours before the sleeping time. So that will all, because your organs also need the rest at night time. So make sure 3 hours before the sleeping, eating 3 hours before the sleeping is very important. Then relative, how your calm environment, how would you like to your environment, which is comfortable to you. So 8 hours of sleep with the quality is what the sleep hygiene is all about.
Also, make sure you can sip in some water, Alicia. Seems like you're getting a dry throat. So
Yes.
sleep also important because हम रात में OTT देखते रहते हैं. Body detoxifies, अपने आप को clean करती है, हमारे body repair करती है. When we are sleeping from 12 to 2 is a detoxifying window. अगर आप टाइम से नहीं सो रहे हैं तो बॉडी डिटॉक्सिफाई नहीं करती, आपकी बॉडी रिपेयर नहीं कर पाती. देन वी से दैट हमारी इम्यूनिटी कम है. डोंट एक्सेप्ट इट. इफ यू आर नॉट स्लीपिंग ऑन टाइम, 100% your immunity will be less because you're not giving the time to your system to recover itself, to heal itself. So give your system enough time to heal it. जितना ज्यादा अपने body को time देंगे to heal, the more the body will be productive and respond to you and to your treatment, to your diet, to everything. So please maintain the sleep hygiene. Takes the daytime to watch OTT, keep the restriction. Check in your mobile how much time in a day you have utilized in the OTT, because 5-6 hours wasting in the OTT doesn't make any sense. Give 1 hour time every day. Okay, this is the time window when I'm going to give myself the me time and I will do whatever I want. But definitely not at the cost of cleansing the system. That's very important.
All right. So moving on, we have the impact of our diet on overall well-being, which means कि how the diet not only your sugar levels के overall well-being हमारे behavior में या हमारे moods में कैसे impact करता है. So first is we have balanced diet enhances moods and energy levels. Okay, balanced diet. Okay, good nutrients. Neha said कि खाने के बाद नींद इतना क्यों आती है? Because if it's not nutritious enough, we are just having food coma, just eating more than what is required, so definitely we'll not be having energy. Food is supposed to give us the energy to work throughout the day. So that is why balanced meal, enough portion quality and the quantity of the food, and how it is related to our mood swings, incorporating good amount of fat, good healthy fats in our diet. Okay, जैसा कि omega 3 fatty acids, okay, which we usually get from the fish, in the non-vegetarian source, but in the west we can get it in walnuts ho gaya, flax seeds ho gaya. They are the very good sources of omega 3s. So incorporating those have the positive mental health, that helps in the positive behavior of us, and managing the mental health. Then second, we have the reduce the risk of secondary conditions. Okay, adopting a balanced diet first of all helps in the weight management and the secondary conditions related to it, कि जैसा कि हो गया heart condition हो गया, kidney condition हो गया, diabetes हो गया. So we can, with the balanced diet, we can overall prevent that for a longer time. Third, we have the immune function and the gut health. Okay, uh, diet plays a key. First, if your gut is good, then your overall health is good. So first, we have to make sure that we are keeping our gut healthy by eating the enough probiotics and prebiotics. From where do we get it? Probiotics, fermented foods हो गया हमारे, या फिर हो गया सबसे better is what we have curd in our kitchen. Okay, curd and yogurt. So make sure we are eating at least one glass of buttermilk or the enough curd a day. Then we have improves mental clarity and the focus. Okay, so once we are eating mindful eating, if we are doing a mindful eating, if we are eating a well nutritious food, incorporating all the required nutrients in our diet, then we are will having the mental clarity, we'll have the energized that vibe in our body. Then we'll be able to have more focused energy, so we'll be able to focus in what we are doing, what how things are functioning around us. We'll be more focused around it. So it all depends on what we are eating. So that's how the diet plays a key role. And yeah, practical tips of implementing a healthy diet. Okay, practical tips. Let's look into that. Meal planning. Okay, make sure that we are planning a meal in a prior week. For example, today is Sunday. Make sure what we are gonna eat in next coming days. Okay, we have to plan that, at least a menu planning कि ये दिन में ये बनना है. Or in practical tips in my kitchen, what I usually do is get the vegetables for, because if I don't have time enough to go to the market or buy the fruit, I just cut and store it in a airtight containers कि ये vegetable ये दिन में बनना है, या I just label it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So that is how the kitchen study. I just go quickly, even in a busy work schedule, we should avoid ordering from outside, catch time nahi hai. If we are well prepared, if we are smart, wisely prepare everything, then we can, with the help of our organizing skills, we can just have the healthier meal. Then we have the healthier substitution of what we can, for example, as Neha said, instead of eating the plain polished rice, we can substitute it with the quinoa ho gaya ya fir unpolished rice ho gaya. So make sure that substitution is always there for the healthier version of what we are eating day to day. Okay, instead of going the canned food, canned vegetables or the canned fruits, we can just have the direct fresh fruits over it. Okay, so then just for example, if you are eating the bag of chips just for the snacking, instead of that we can eat the roasted nuts. Salted roasted nuts is what we get. They're very tasty as well as healthy as well. Then we have what practical another thing what we can apply is reading a food label. People who in the marketing are very very smart. Okay, so we have to understand what they are eating. They replaces the name with, for example, if they want to hide the sugar, they replace the name of the sugar with something else. Okay, so we have to make sure that we are checking the labels carefully. Okay, and कितने added fats हैं उसमें या फिर sugars हैं उसमें, what the hidden carbs are that it contains. So we have to make the choices based on first reading the labels. If you are entering in the market or supermarkets, we have to make sure whatever we are picking, we have to make sure that we are reading a label, not only to check the price or the expiry date, we have to read the nutrition content as well. Then smart grocery shopping. If you are entering any time in the supermarket, in hypermarket, you'll see that fresh vegetables and the fruits are usually out of the aisle, compared to what is inside. If we enter, they're all processed foods. जो भी processed चीज़ें होती हैं, snacks हो गए, essentials भी होते हैं like rice and stuff. But then before that, after that, we see all that processed stuff. Canned foods हो गए, there are like huge banners for it that the offers are running. But make sure that you're shopping from outside, which is your fruits and vegetables first. Okay, enough have the, that in your cart, then you can go ahead for the filling your needs ahead. So that is about the smart grocery shopping in
So
your
we
list.
have the video and the session recording for meal planning, how to read the food labels. These are all very important aspects because we generally, where we make the mistake is the first step for the entire, process of following the right diet, following the right reversal process is the, meal planning, ensuring that we are finding out the grocery well. So please go through those recordings. We will share everything there in the premium group. You refer to that and follow. Alicia, we can share the screen. Any problem?
Yeah.
These are the basic, things that one should keep in mind while entirely planning your daily grocery or even like, following the meal sequencing. You want me to share the screen?
No, Neha, let me just.
So I hope the session makes sense and so far you are able to understand everything till the time Alicia is fixing it. But these are the key factors that one should keep in mind to understand what are the key principles of diet, how to do the grocery planning well, how to take care of all our requirements so that we don't end up making any mistake. How to get sound sleep. So you can join the singing bowl meditation class that we have every day at night, 9 o'clock. There are a lot of recorded sessions by Shambhat. Shambhat is a very good, psychologist. He's a doctor who has shared the recorded videos with us. You can follow that. Raw Banana Kavita ji, yes, you can read that. So we will take a pause. Don't worry about it at the end, 11:30 to like we are going to give you ample time for the entire discussion on the questions. We will take it up. No need to worry.
I'm
Okay.
not able to share my screen.
That's what I'm saying. Let me share my screen. Just give me 1 second. See my screen now. So we have done till this. Make sure that you're planning your meals well. For getting more details on the meal planning, we have another session. We will share the recording. You can go through that. Reading the food labels, ensure that you're reading all the food labels well. Look at the, worst culprit that ends with OSE, ASE, OL, AL. These are all sugars which are hidden sugar. Many of the Indian products, they tag as sugar free, no sugar, no added sugar. But when you flip the cover and look at the ingredients, there will be a lot of hidden sugars in that. So we feel, okay, we are making the right choice. But then until and unless you go with the back ingredients and you read the food labels well, you can't come to the conclusion that this food is sugar free. Healthy substitutions, there are a lot of substitutions to the sugar. Do we don't get the cravings for the sugar or the sweets. We do feel like eating sometimes, but then how we can eat it, in what format, what sugar free choices we can make, it's all in our hands. And we have done the entire session on that also. So these are very in-depth session which needs to be dived in a little bit more. So utilize your Saturday, Sunday by going through these sessions. I think half an hour informative session, which makes much sense. Make a right grocery shopping and automatically you will start getting the results. And 1 second, change the slide. This was the last slide.
Yes, Neha. That's
Perfect. So we are done with this. Now we will be taking up the questions. Alicia, can you read out the questions? We will quickly take it up.
yes. They ask somebody, Mr. Milind asked for the GI chart. Where can we
Yeah,
get
so
it?
we have shared the GI chart. I have just posted there in the chat section also. and I will repost it, the entire link in the premium group also. You can go through that. Whenever you have any doubt, you are not able to understand anything, I know you have a coach, but you can also tag me at the rate Neha Kapoor in the premium group. I will write down to you all your queries. So we have a lot of data which can be shared over there. Coaches might be busy sometimes in the consultations. They might not be able to give you all the details on time, but I'm there for you. Please tag me anytime in the premium group, and we all are here to help each other, right?
All right. Okay, Neha, thank you. Next question is what we have is basmati rice good?
Yeah, basmati rice is good because the longer the grain. See, first priority is always the rice with the husk, which is unpolished. Brown rice is there, red rice is there, there is unpolished white rice. But the second choice is then the basmati rice. Basmati rice also comes with the unpolished and the polished both. Go with the unpolished basmati rice, which has low GI compared to the polished GI rice, which is having the higher glycemic index. The more you polish, the more you process, the higher will be the glycemic index. It looks good in the appearance when we see that हमें लगता है बहुत अच्छा है, shine कर रहा है. But then that is the problem. There they have polished, they have further treated it, which has increased the glycemic index of that food. So you always keep these points in mind that we have to go with the unpolished food. We have to get the organic vegetables or the vegetables from directly from the vendors, which is like more pure with the less pesticides, less chemicals being treated. Or we can always try to soak the vegetables before preparing in the salt water. That also helps in reducing most of the chemicals. Wash it nicely, because nowadays we don't do the crop rotation. We keep on growing the same crops of the same field again and again. What previously we used to do? We used to give 2 years, 3 years of gap in between the two crops, which we are not doing right now. So this is something that we need to,
Yes.
keep in mind. What's the next question, Alicia?
We have that Telangana Sona Masuri rice is low in GI compared to other rices. Okay.
So there is one Telangana rice which is there, which is low in GI. But then what I have observed that sometimes that too gives a spike. So please check the pre-meal reading and 2 hours after the consumption of the rice, your post-meal reading, to figure out how much spike it is giving. Any meal should not give more than 40 to 50 points of spike. The lesser the spike, the better will be the suitability to your body, because every human being is very, very different. One thing if might be suiting me might not be suiting to Alicia, might not be suiting to Mr. Mahinder or Mr. Modin. So we have to make sure we understand what is our body type, what suits our body the most, and then take a call. That's why we always say don't go blindly on anything. Please check your blood sugar levels pre and post the meal. Once you start building in a practice, within a short span of time, you will understand. And I always keep a diary. So, like, I'm not diabetic, but I always keep a diary for myself for observing. Okay, आज मैंने ये खाना खाया, इसके बाद मुझे bloating लगी, तो I always make a note of it, because I want to see. I'm curious to understand what is suiting me, what is not suiting me, whether it is leading to any acid bouts, whether it is leading to any bloating, and then I can take a call. अच्छा क्या मैंने गड़बड़ किया था, आज मैंने खाना खाया बट खाने के बाद वॉक नहीं किया, या आज मैं continuously सुबह से इतनी देर के लिए बैठी रही. So these all impact my digestion process, and this is what brings in the consciousness. No one is perfect. We are all learning from our mistakes.
Yes, yes, and I would like to add a point to that. Telangana, there are two varieties actually, Masuri and the Sona. So people
Yes.
usually get confused with Masuri to compare to Sona. So Sona rice is unpolished. So we have to make, and it's not easily available, I'm sure. Like, there are the farmers who grow Sona rice and stuff. So we have to make sure that we are not getting fooled by what the marketers are, just
Yeah.
giving us. So
So I think
that
that's a very valid point, Alicia, what you have added, because this I was also not aware of. So,
Yeah,
so
Telangana Sona rice is one there. Telangana Sona Masuri is one. So Masuri is just a polished rice. Sona is just unpolished. So difference is there.
okay, तो gold shines, gold has less GI. तो सोना के साथ
Yes.
जाइए.
Yeah. One
Okay.
more question we have is organic jaggery a good substitute for the refined sugar or the saccharin powder in tea or coffee?
So, any sort of simple sugar, either it is jaggery, dates, It's all sugar. It's going to break down into the fructose and the glucose, which will increase your blood sugar. These are simple cups, which immediately increases your blood sugar levels. What we need to understand is that uh, make sure that we are having the simple sugars which are like not going to impact your blood sugar readings, like stevia is there. Now people say that stevia tastes very bad, but then you have a good pluck one stevia, which I personally use in my baking products because my kids like cakes, and the bakery products. So instead of going with the outside one, I prefer to bake it at home, and I use the good pluck one stevia. You can write down the name, Alicia, in the chat. It's really good, doesn't have any aftertaste, can easily use it. Second is the monk fruit sugar. Again, we have the PDF which we keep sharing during every festival. You can use the monk fruit sugar. That again has the zero sugar plus doesn't give any spikes. So we have the entire list of some sugar-free options. But then this question comes, can we have it every day? So even good food should be taken in moderation. Excess of any good food also is bad for our health. So take in moderation, have it sometimes. I'm sure nothing will happen, but you should not make a habit of taking it every day. So like I've seen people who are taking stevia, like one of my client always used to take say mention as sugar-free tea every time in the food logs. And I was thinking, okay, why the sugars are spiking instead of taking the sugar-free tea? Then I get to know that okay, he's adding the monk fruit sugar in the tea. So too much of monk sugar. He used to drink 4 to 5 cups of tea in a day. So then, that too used to contribute to his blood sugar readings and he used to get these spikes. So even sometimes good food also can be a curse. It can be wrong. It can lead to spikes. So make sure something, whatever you are adding, even if it is healthy, should be taken in moderation.
And another question what we have is Mr. Sunil. I frequently have to socialize on the corporate meetings. Typically, we consume beverages. I'm not alcoholic. Please suggest what can I consume apart from water besides water.
So same here. I'm also not alcoholic. I don't take alcohol at all. And we do have a lot of get-togethers, club meets. I'm a part of club also. Then again, official meets are there. So what I do generally is completely lime soda or lime water without sugar and mostly without soda also. We can go with the kombucha. There are a lot of good restaurants now who all have the kombucha. You can ask for it, they can give it to you. So kombucha is there, coconut water is there. We have like, instead of thinking something wrong, we can go with the coconut water. We can go with the soup. Soup are also good. Mindstone soup is there. We can tell them that don't add the cornstarch to our soup. Or the clear soups are really good. If you're non-vegetarian, can go with the chicken soup and all. But then we have kanji is there nowadays, which is also available very easily in most of the hotels and restaurants. Anything else you want to add up? Green tea is there, yeah, and iced tea is there, which is also good. You can tell them to give you the iced tea without sugar. Iced tea without sugar is amazing, which tastes really nice and never gives you a spike. So I think I have given you a lot of options. Buttermilk is, anyways, buttermilk is always a good choice to go with. So corporate meats are good. Then how we make the
Socializing.
choices, because if we know that the socialization is very, very often, then it's all in our hand. How to make the choice, what to choose, what to take. Even the sugar-free, many people come and say, Alicia, that, I had the sugar-free, Coke, Diet Coke. But, Diet Coke has 3 times more sugar than the
Sugar.
normal, Coke.
Yes,
So
yes,
you are making
exactly.
much more worse choice than the normal. It's really worse. It has 3 times more sugar. So please avoid making such choices. And that was a
And
wonderful
reading
question.
the
So
label, that is where reading the label is very,
label
very
is very
important.
important.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And another question we have is sugar-fit rice is perfect to eat, is good to eat.
Sugar-fit rice is low GI, no doubt about it. But then again, as I said, it depends. It completely depends from person to person. That is also Telangana rice, which we have got it manufactured based on our requirements, reducing its GI. But how it suits, there is a mixed population. Like 90% people says that it suits as well. There is a 10-20% people who says that no, it doesn't suit, it gives me a spice. So it depends on you. That's why I always prick, check, and take a call which food is best fit for you. So this is something that, we have to figure it out, although it should not give the spike. I just tell you one more thing, even if you're getting the spikes after having the sugar fit rice or your normal rice, cook the rice, not the pressure cooked one, because that maintains and retains a starch content, which gives a drastic spike. Cook the rice, remove the water, boil it, and refrigerate in fridge. Like, for example, today you have prepared the rice. Remove the starch, water content, and then store that rice in the fridge for 24 hours. And next day you eat that rice will not give a spike, because in fridge, that rice converts, the starch in the rice converts into the resistant starch, which gives lesser spike, lesser blood sugar increase than the normal rice. So the same rice can be consumed next day. We feel that okay, we should not eat the old food, but then rice is something, one of the good ingredient. If you just refrigerate and eat it next day by reheating, it will not give a spike. So try this hack. I'm sure it should work.
Yes. Perfect, perfect. Thank you so much, Neha. Another question we have: how to get a quality sleep? I get up in the mid of the night and feel like eating.
Very good question again. Many factors. Eating late night dinners, definitely you will end up waking up night to pee, because there's a lot of glucose in the body which is not excreted yet, and that will lead to the midnight, wake up, or the alarm to get up for the pee and flush out extra glucose. तो देर से खाना खाएंगे तो पक्का रात में उठेंगे. Too much of water consumption again at the night time or after 5 p.m. जो लोग बहुत ज्यादा चाय पीते हैं, पानी पीते हैं, इवन एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ बेवरेजेस रात में, उनको भी रात में उठना पड़ता है, बिकॉज वी डोंट नीड दैट मच ऑफ वाटर एट द नाइट टाइम. वी शुड फिनिश आवर वाटर कंजम्पशन बाय 5, एंड फॉर नेक्स्ट half of the day from 5 to 10 we should sip the water instead of gulping the water. Too much of water is not good. Even in the places like north, where during the winter time what they do is they keep on sipping lot of tea, coffee. What happens? That also leads to dehydration, and then you drink more water, and it leads to lot of disturbed sleep. Plus, they have caffeine, they have tannins in that, which actually blocks the melatonin production. What is melatonin? It's one of the हार्मोन जो हमारे बॉडी में बताता है कि हमें अब नींद आ रही है. सो अगर हम बहुत ज्यादा कॉफी पीते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा चाय लेते हैं 3 बजे या 4 बजे के बाद, तो आपकी नींद पक्का डिस्टर्ब होगी, साउंड स्लीप नहीं आएगी, बिकॉज आफ्टर मेलेटोनिन प्रोडक्शन कम हो गया है ड्यू टू द कैफीन एंड द टी इनटेक. तो वो हमें अवॉइड करना चाहिए. दोज हु हैव अ स्लीप इशू शुड नॉट गो विद द heavy meals at night, should not take water after 5 p.m., should sip, should not gulp it or take a glasses of water. Then they should avoid the beverages after 4 p.m. मत लीजिए. थोड़ा गर्म पानी पी लीजिए. इफ यू आर गेटिंग एनी क्रेविंग ड्यू टू द समर, थोड़ी सी ग्रीन टी ले लीजिए, बट जितना अवॉइड कर सकते हैं अवॉइड करिए, एंड देन सी द डिफरेंस इन योर स्लीप क्वालिटी.
Yes.
आराम से आ जाएगी.
Exactly, and the craving lasts for only 5 to 7 minutes. If we are able to tackle those 7 minutes, then we are
5
just good.
मिनट्स बहुत डिफिकल्ट होते हैं. उस
Yes,
5 मिनट्स में आपने अपने आप को डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया ना, तो यू वोंट गेट द क्रेविंग अगेन.
yes, yes. And another question we have: I'm not able to drink enough water. Please suggest what can I do better.
So you can add chia seeds to the water. Thanda hai to you can add, make the lukewarm water. Can add a little bit of green tea bags in that, so that also adds flavor and you feel like drinking the water. Cucumber slices add कर दीजिए. Pineapple के 1-2 slices add कर दीजिए. That gives a nice flavor to the water and you feel. What I do is sometimes, like आज तो मैंने plain ही बनाया, but once I refill it, uh, I also don't feel much thirst here in Bangalore because weather ऐसा है.
Better.
So I add समटाइम्स 2-3 स्लाइसेस ऑफ क्यूकम्बर. कभी मैं धनिया डाल देती हूँ, कभी मैं मिर्च के लीव्स डाल देती हूँ उसमें, सो दैट द फ्लेवर चेंजेस एंड आई फील लाइक ड्रिंकिंग इट. मेरे पास हमेशा यहाँ पे बगल में सॉफ्ट रहती है फॉर द क्रेविंग, सो आई समटाइम्स जस्ट पोर इन द 1 teaspoon of soft like fennel seeds in my water, and that too makes me feel like drinking the water again. तो ये छोटे छोटे से हैक्स होते हैं. वी हैव लॉट ऑफ स्पाइसेस, गुड फॉर डाइजेशन, गुड फॉर द एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स, प्लस it helps you in giving the good infusion to the water to get the urge of drinking it. So I hope you got idea for that. Tulsi ke leaves hote hain India mein, basil leaves, it's so holy, so alkaline. Can add the basil leaves to the water. That's also one of the good choice to add.
Yes, thank you so much, Neha. I guess I have to drop because I have consultation with
Absolutely, you can go ahead, Alicia. Thank you so much for taking up the session. I will take up rest of the questions. So
Yes.
I
Thank
saw
you
one of.
everyone.
Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye.
Bye, Alicia. You can drop off. So we have like one more question, that why we get the craving, or we get cravings after having our meals. Why we get the cravings after the meals? It's all because if our diet is lagging the good amount of fiber, or if our diet is lagging in the proteins. आपके खाने में अगर प्रोटीन्स अच्छे क्वांटिटी में नहीं होते, फाइबर नहीं होता, तो डेफिनेटली खाने के बाद क्रेविंग्स आती है, सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलता। और अगर हमारे डाइट में बहुत सारा कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स होता है, लाइक वी आर ईटिंग द राइस ऑल्सो, वी आर ईटिंग द चपाती ऑल्सो, दैट टू लीड्स टू द लॉट ऑफ cravings. So please avoid it. Milk tea without sugar at 7 a.m. before breakfast is okay. Uh, Kada Kamaiji, just check that is it giving you the spike? It's better to put the right thing in your body when you wake up. It's pure, it's clean. Have some nuts, drink water. That will help you in keeping the body alkaline. And for diabetic people, the resistance is very high in the morning. So if you keep your body alkaline, the good fats from the almonds, walnuts, from the lukewarm water, it helps in reducing the spikes and maintaining the resistance. And then उसके बाद आप चाय पी लीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। बट मॉर्निंग में हमेशा इट्स अ क्लीन बॉडी, अच्छी चीज मुंह में डालिए, अच्छा खाइए ताकि बॉडी उसको एब्जॉर्ब करे, और डेफिनेटली इट गिव्स अ गुड बूस्ट टू योर सिस्टम। और ड्राई फ्रूट्स टू बी सोक्ड, एब्सोल्युटली, क्योंकि ड्राई फ्रूट्स में बहुत ज्यादा फाइटिक एसिड होता है। आपने देखा होगा इंडिया में बहुत ज्यादा किडनी स्टोन्स लोगों को होते हैं, दे फेस लॉट ऑफ गॉल स्टोन्स इश्यूज। क्यों होता है? बिकॉज ऑल द छोले राजमा, दैट ऑल लेंटिल्स व्हाट वी ईट, द pulses what we eat, the nuts and seeds what we eat, they have lot of phytic acid. If it goes inside the body, it has a tendency to produce purine, जो कि stones formation करता है। तो आप अगर सोक करते हैं, एक तो फर्स्ट थिंग, why they have the purines in it, the phytic acid what is there on top of the nuts, seeds, pulses, it helps in the protection of the nutrients present in it. आपके इन सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो आपके नट्स होते हैं या सीड्स होते हैं, इसमें बहुत हाई क्वांटिटी ऑफ फैट्स होते हैं, वाइटामिन होते हैं, मिनरल्स होते हैं, जो कि बहुत सेंसिटिव होते हैं, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए फाइटिक एसिड की लेयर होती है। आप अगर डायरेक्ट खाते हैं तो बॉडी के अंदर जाता है, आपके बॉडी में स्टोन्स फॉर्मेशन करता है। आप उसे भिगा के खाएंगे तो एब्जॉर्ब भी अच्छे से होगा एंड स्टोन्स फॉर्मेशन भी नहीं करेगा। सो दैट इज द रीजन वी से दैट वी हैव टू सोक द सीड्स। एंड आप अगर राजमा छोले खा रहे हैं तो उसको रात भर भिगाइए, आप मिलेट्स खा रहे हैं उसको रात भर भिगाइए, बिकॉज मिलेट्स ऑल्सो हैव हाई अमाउंट ऑफ फाइटिक एसिड। Is quinoa is better than rice? Definitely quinoa has less glycemic index than the rice. But then also depends, आपकी बॉडी को क्या सूट करता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग कॉल लीजिए। प्रोसेस मत लीजिए, पॉलिश मत लीजिए। Anything which is like with the husk, with which is unpolished is best to take. How to reduce uric acid levels for vegetarian person? Drink lot of water. It gets accumulated in the blood. So जितना water पियेंगे, एप्पल साइडर लेंगे 2 बार दिन में, आपके बॉडी में से यूरिक एसिड ऑलरेडी फ्लश होगा। आप जितना ज्यादा फाइबर खाएंगे, फाइबर विल सैलेड से, उतना ज्यादा बॉडी से यूरिक एसिड फ्लश होगा। जितना ज्यादा आप बॉडी को हाइड्रेटेड रखते हैं, उतना ज्यादा फ्लशिंग में। टाइम से सोना, एज आई सेड अर्लियर, if you're not sleeping on time, body won't be able to cleanse itself. आप नहीं रात में टाइम से सोएंगे, बॉडी क्लीन नहीं करेगी अपने आप को, एंड देन ये यूरिक एसिड बनना, प्लस आपके बॉडी में फैटी लिवर होना, या इफ यू टॉक अबाउट स्टोन्स फॉर्मेशन किडनी में, ये सब नॉर्मली लगा रहेगा। तो आपका लाइफस्टाइल इज योर बेस्ट मेडिसिन। if you're not following a right lifestyle, you will not able to recover or heal itself, and then you keep on getting a lot of concerns. प्रोटीन 40 ग्राम्स नो, आपका प्रोटीन का रिक्वायरमेंट होता है एज पर योर बॉडी वेट। इफ योर आइडियल बॉडी वेट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ माई आइडियल बॉडी वेट एज पर माई हाइट इज 60 kgs, then my protein intake should be 60 grams. Until and unless for the person who has kidney issues, who has proteins in the urine, they should reduce the quantity of the proteins. Otherwise बाकी सारे लोग अपने आइडियल बॉडी वेट के अकॉर्डिंग उतने ग्राम ऑफ 1 ग्राम ऑफ प्रोटीन पर केजी बॉडी वेट ले सकते हैं। विच ऑयल इज बेटर फॉर कुकिंग? आपका अनरिफाइंड ऑयल विच इज anything which is not refined. So if we just look at the oil ka packet, there is a wood pressed oil, there is a cold pressed oil, there is a uh, manually refined oil और physically refined oil, ऐसा लिखा रहता है. That is better quality oil because जितना polish करा, जितना process किया, उतना ज्यादा harmful होता है हमारे. So आप अगर ऑयल ले रहे हैं, why we are taking the oils for its essential fatty acids कि हमें अच्छे fatty acids मिले. और if you are buying the refined oil, it doesn't have any essential fatty acids, so it's all waste. Then क्या होता है? ब्लॉकेज करता है हमारे हार्ट में, फैटी लिवर करता है because unnecessarily it's creating a load and toxins in the system. So wood press लीजिए, ऑयल रोटेशन करिए. अगेन वी हैव डन अ सेशन entirely on this. आप एक बार सुनिएगा. I will share the link of the YouTube channel. I'm not promoting, but these sessions have been done only for our sugar-fit users, and this is for your benefit, for your learning. सैटरडे संडे वीकडे में जब भी टाइम मिलता है, आप ये सेशन सुन सकते हैं, आप ये सेशंस देख सकते हैं. इट हैज ऑल दी डिटेल्स अबाउट द रेसिपीज. हमारे 2 सेशंस होते हैं, एक तेलुगु में होता है, एक हिंदी में होता है. वी हैव लास्ट टाइम ऑल्सो रन द फिजियोथेरेपी वीक स्किन हेल्थ सीरीज, जहाँ पे हमने सब डिस्कस किया है. हर सेशन के लिए बहुत डिटेल में पूरा डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन है टॉपिक्स के. पूरा आपको डिटेल मिल जाएगी. मैं यहाँ पे चैनल का नाम और ये सब आपको दे रही हूँ लिंक. आप सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, आपको ऑटोमेटिकली नोटिफिकेशन आता रहेगा. There's no option to log food dishes made with sugar control rice. Yes, there is. You can write down sugar fit rice. You will get the option. Can check it with the coach once. Yes, we can eat the raw banana, red banana. See, anything which is banana is very high in starch, and that is the reason it leads to increase your blood sugar level. So हम avoid करते हैं. Unripe banana, कच्चा banana ले सकते हैं, कोई problem नहीं है. Telugu session, all Telugu session happens on Saturday, 11 to 12. So please make a note of it. 40 gram of protein a day. Table you don't need. So how to understand कि आपने 40 grams protein लिया नहीं लिया? So आप जब अपने ऐप में जाकर के एंटर करते हैं ना कोई भी फूड, आपको दिखता है. You will be able to see the food contains the food logs contain इतने amount of proteins, इतने amount of carbohydrates, इतने amount of. And आप जब अपने कोच से कनेक्ट करते हैं ना, just take the entire details कि आपके एक दिन में how many grams of proteins you have taken, how many grams of carbs you have taken, to get a fair idea. That's why I keep on writing down in the premium group. Do log the food and check what is your carbohydrate intake, what is your protein intake, what is your fat intake, and what is your fiber intake. We can start correcting our macronutrients, and that will happen once you get into a habit of logging the food. आपने अगर फूड लॉग नहीं करा तो हमें पता नहीं चलता है. Okay. Apart from that, any other question that I have missed on? Tea or coffee, which is better? Both are same actually, but if you are taking in moderation, it won't lead to any harm. But if you are taking too much in quantity, definitely it's harmful. रोटी वोंट कॉज एनी प्रॉब्लम. लाइक आप सुबह बना के रात में ले रहे हो, उसमें कुछ ऐसा स्टार्च नहीं है. रोटी हैज ग्लूटेन. ग्लूटेन इज द प्रोटीन जो हमारे बॉडी में डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता, इसलिए स्पाइक देता है. दैट्स व्हाई वी से अवॉइड ग्लूटेन बिकॉज इट इंक्रीजेस इन्फ्लेमेशन. होता पहले भी था, अब ज्यादा होने लग गया है बिकॉज वी अगेन डोंट गिव द टाइम टू द फॉर द क्रॉप रोटेशन. हम वीट ग्रो करते हैं, वो खत्म होता है, फिर से हम नेक्स्ट क्रॉप ग्रो कर देते हैं. सो अर्लियर क्या होता था कि क्रॉप रोटेशन में हम 2 साल 3 साल का गैप देते थे, जिससे हम न्यूट्रिएंट्स रिप्लेनिश कर लेते थे. वो अभी होता नहीं है, इसलिए आप जो आटा खाते हैं वो इतना ज्यादा स्पाइक देता है. वाइल मिलेट्स की जब बात करते तो मिलेट्स आर इजी टू ग्रो. इट्स नॉट दैट डिमांडिंग, एंड अगेन उनका न्यूट्रिएंट्स इतना डिप्लीट नहीं होता. दैट इज वाई इट्स इजी टू डाइजेस्ट, प्लस आपके बॉडी में स्पाइक्स नहीं देता बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स हाई फाइबर कंटेंट. पहले हम जब बचपन में चपाती खाते थे, इट यूज्ड टू बी ऑफ डार्क कलर. ना ग्रेजुअली करते करते क्या हो रहा है, बाजार वाला जो आटा आता है, इट इज फुल्ली प्रोसेस एंड पूरा व्हाइट कलर की चपाती के चक्कर में दे आर गिविंग यू मैदा, and which is again very much processed, and that is why it gives a drastic spike. गुड़ की चाय नो अगेन, बिकॉज अगेन गुड़ तो सिंपल शुगर है, तो आप कोई भी सिंपल शुगर लेंगे तो स्पाइक्स देगा ही देगा. चाय और कॉफी जब भी पीते हैं, वी हैव अनदर सेशन रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन द टी एंड कॉफी, कैन गो थ्रू इट। बट जब भी आप चाय और कॉफी पीते हैं, उसके बाद 2 कप 2 ग्लास पानी जरूर पीजिए, बिकॉज दे ऑल डिहाइड्रेट योर सिस्टम। Uh, okay, whatever you require, or if there is any question left, please write down in the chat section on Premium Group. Tag me at the rate Neha Kapoor. I will be there to answer your queries. Thank you so much for joining in. I request each and everyone to join the challenge. You know, move more, sit less. We keep on sitting throughout the day. See, I'm sitting here in front of you from last 1 hour. It's very important to keep moving. But what I do from my side is that when I'm sitting, I keep doing the soleus push-up. I keep making sure that I'm sipping the water, walking in between. Some movements are required, and these movements helps you in improving your overall blood circulation, your lymphatic system. आपका जितना blood circulate अच्छे से होता है, उतना body cleanse अच्छे से होता है. ज्यादा blood sugar levels हमारे blood को बहुत thick कर देते हैं. If you are moving, it also helps in reducing the consistency and the viscosity of the blood. So please, छोटी छोटी सी चीजें हैं ये, सारे challenges आपके requirements को ध्यान में रख के ड्राफ्ट किए जाते हैं, because what challenges are we are facing, कहाँ हम गड़बड़ करते हैं, कहाँ हमें काम करना चाहिए, प्लीज उस पर वर्क करिए, आप ज्वाइन करिए, होम पेज पे जाइएगा अपने आप में, एंड व्हेन यू स्क्रॉल डाउन देयर इज अ पर्पल कलर बैंड, उसके नीचे पे देयर इज अ मेंशन, move more, sit less. Join the challenge and participate. Keep setting the alarm to move in every half an hour. Water लेने चले जाइए. Just go to the washroom, come back on your seat. Just do a little bit of stretches. These are all movements that can help you in improving your blood circulation. Stop sitting at one place. This is the biggest, disease in itself. आपने अगर सुना हो तो, I don't know, my great grandmother always used to tell me that and during our time, we never used to have the mats always on the floor. सोने के बाद सुबह जब उठते थे तो हम अपनी चारपाई खड़ी कर देते थे, ताकि उसके बाद दिन में हम उसके ऊपर ना बैठें. So why that habit was there? So that we are continuously moving. Earlier we were in habit of doing all the things on on our own, but now we are very much dependent on the machineries. So our movements, our activities are reducing day by day, and that is why the diseases are also increasing. So it's in your hand to take a call and work on yourself. It's a small habit which we can formulate in the beginning of the month and the beginning of the year. Don't think about big goals, just think about small things that can change your life drastically. Thank you so much. Namaste and have a wonderful Sunday. I hope you enjoyed the session. If there is anything, please do let us know on the premium group. Tag me at the rate Neha Kapoor, otherwise I don't get to see your message. Vimalji, we have sugar fit atta. You can take the sugar fit atta. You can go with the millets. These are all good. फास्टिंग शुगर लेवल्स, अगेन आप चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिए, मैंने आपको दिया है, वहां पे सारे वीडियोस हैं, हाउ टू कंट्रोल द फास्टिंग शुगर लेवल्स. मैं फिर से पोस्ट कर दूंगी. आई नो दिस टाइम इज लिमिटेड एंड वी हैव टू मूव अहेड with this session today. We have to end it over here, but next time हम बिल्कुल देंगे. And whatever the questions you have, आपने जो भी requirements share करिए, I will post everything in the premium group for sure. Thanks a lot and have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining us. See you next Sunday. Until then, don't forget to join the challenge. Move more, sit less. It's important to keep moving, and I hope we can keep moving. If you are joining the challenge, please write down yes. I will move more in the chat box. Kavita, sleep on time or take 1 teaspoon of apple cider in 1 glass of water at bedtime. I'm sure this will help. Great. So let's all join the challenge. There is no excuse. Our body requires movements and we have to move. So till then, goodbye. Take care. See you again next Sunday. Same time, 11 a.m. And with a new topic. If you have any suggestions, tag me at the rate Neha Kapoor on Premium Group and we will take up that topic for sure. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Good day.